Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to install Windows Server on your virtual machine. What we have to do is go on Google and to download the ISO image for the Windows Server. So Windows uh, Server 2019 ISO, and then we click on the evaluation center, this one. If it's not this one, it will be the first one. Yes, the first one. So whatever you see with that, uh, it looks like this. So over here we need the English version. So the ISO download. Click on it and start downloading. So that will take 10 minutes. I will pause the video by the time it downloads, and then I will show you how to install it on VMware. Alright, so we have the image downloaded. Now we will open our VMware workstation, and then we will do create a new virtual machine, and then we do custom. Next, uh, keep it as it is, and then I will install the image later. Next, it will be Microsoft, and then we select the Windows Server 2019. Next, change the name. I will do it test YouTube, and then okay, and then we select where do we want it. So I will go on uh, this PC D application, and then I have created a folder Windows 2019 test. Okay, next. Okay, UEFI, we keep this one. Next, number of processors, I'm just gonna keep it the same, give it 2 cores. Next, memory, I'm gonna give it 4 GB. Next, and then over here, use host only networking. So we do next, next, and then NVMe, next, and then create a new virtual disk, next, and I will do store on a single image, and then I'll give it hard drive, I'll give it 200 GB. We do next, and then next, finish. So after it finishes, we did not select the ISO. So over here we double click on that, and then CD/DVD auto detect. We're gonna go use ISO image, browse, we go on downloads, and then we select our download, and then okay, then we do power on this virtual machine, okay, and then press any key. Now it should be loading, as you see right here. If your mouse gets captured, press Ctrl and Alt to get it out, and if you want to capture again, just click inside of the windows. See, now the mouse is captured once it's in, but if I press Ctrl and Alt, it will come out. Alright, over here, just keep it English, English, US. We do next, and then install now. So right now it's installing Windows Server 2019. That should take a couple minutes. I'm just gonna pause the recording for now. Alright, so over here we will choose, I'm just gonna keep it the standard evaluation desktop experience. So we choose the second one, and then next. I accept the license terms. Next, and then custom or upgrade install files and setting an application. So we do custom, and then we select the one we gave it, 200 GB. Press next. Right now it's copying Windows files. This one should take a couple minutes. So same thing, I'm gonna pause it. I'll fast forward it so you guys don't have to wait with me. Alright, so getting files ready for installation. That step alone took around 15 minutes. Now it's installing update. So that probably should take another couple minutes. Okay, after it finishes that steps, I will restart. So I can just press restart now, and then the Windows right now will reboot. Alright, so after reboot, the username is administrator. Password, we just gotta put a password. So create a password, and then click finish. And there you have it. So to send the control alt delete command, is this one right here. So just click on it, and it's gonna promote us to put a password. So we just put the password we already just put, and there you have it. So now you have Windows Server 2019 installed. Just give it a couple seconds. Launching. It's the first time uh, you run it. So that's how Windows Server looks like. I'll be posting a video of how to create Active Directory domain services and how to add a computer, user, a group uh, in a basic steps. I'm not gonna go in depth as well. So if you guys want anything else or any questions, any concerns, please leave it in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please leave a like and subscribe, and hope this one was helpful. So that's how Windows Server looks like. Pros on here, PowerShell, and then the Server Manager, which is that's the main thing to add rules, features, make it a DNS server. All this we can do it from here. So it depends on what you want to do with it. Alright guys, have a wonderful one.